This video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the unwanted browser extension called CyberBlock. This CyberBlock is a special extension designed specifically for Google Chrome browser. The developers indicate that with this extension you'll be able to protect your personal data and browser. But this extension actually operates as adware. Instead of protecting your system and your browser, this extension may function as adware by displaying a lot of intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. Anyway, if this extension was mistakenly installed into your Google Chrome browser, make sure you undertake appropriate measures to get rid of it immediately. Go to the menu, More Tools, Extensions. If you find any third-party extensions here, disable and remove them. So, once again, disable and remove this extension. To make sure that your computer is free of other threats, I recommend that you investigate it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the official website combocleaner.com. So go to this page, the official page of Combo Cleaner, download the program, install the software and begin researching your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.